Beautiful. Welcome, YouTube. How we doing? All right. We got it all ready, guys. We have a fresh case live right now. We are doing the break number 795 right there. Beautiful. All right, guys. So, Texas Surgeon, since you were the one who closed us off, why don't you go ahead and tell me what number box you want to go first or last? And I'll make sure that goes first or last. So this is number 4. 4, number 3, number 2, number 1. 3 goes first or last? What would you rather? First. Okay, cool. So this is 1. Boom. That's 1. Put that there. I'll move this aside. So this is 1. All right, boom. 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 That's 2. This is the first one we're doing. 3. Let's go in front. And last but not least, 4. Right here, guys. Top's finest. Hobby boxes. We got another one live right now. All right, guys. Let me get my top loaders. We're gonna need a few. Put some of these here. Boom, boom, boom. Put these up here. All right, and then the biggest hits in the back. They fit. Beautiful. All right, we're starting up, guys. Good luck to everybody. Thank you so much, everybody who was a part of it. And let's get it. Really goes around. All right, good luck, everybody. Oh, not this backwards thing again. All right, Zach Wheeler, Trick Baldwin, Caleb. Oh, we got a redemption card already. A Cam Smith, finest autographs, 2 of Cam Smith, Houston Astros there. Redemption there for the Astros. Nice. I don't know if this is a really good thing or not.
Redemption?
Yeah, redemption card for finest autos, 2 of Cam Smith.
Finest autos, 2. I don't know. I mean, Cam Smith is legit as can be.
Yeah, Cam Smith is the best from the Astros there. I know someone who's really obsessed with Cam Smith.
I'm not sure the...
Tariq Schoolball.
Which one that is?
You saw Cam, me neither. Not for this set. Let me know, guys, if you know. It's huge. Limitless says huge. All right, I'm glad.
Cam Smith is huge. I just don't know the
I'm
color.
glad. Nice. Oh, that one deputy's going to be upset. He wasn't a part of this one. Huge. Auto 2. Finest auto 2 of Cam Smith. I'm not sure. Who had the Astros?
That's not bad. That doesn't.
You did, Texas Surgeon. You had the Astros. You just got them. They were a team that was left, and you took them at the end. He closed us off literally on his birthday.
If it sits, it hits.
If it sits, it hits. He took it. Top prospect. Amazing. Whoa. Yeah, my friend. Big deal. Congratulations. All right.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, happy birthday. Kyle Tucker. Jacob Wilson. Followed by the second auto and numbered out of 125 there for the Braves. Nacho Alvarez Jr. Nice Braves hit there. Yoshinobu. Numbered Jackson Joby for the Tigers. Followed by a Royals hit 325 out of 325. Salvador Perez. Sits, it hits. Bryce Harper created. Christian Campbell. And a Trey Turner. Which you also had the Tigers, I'm pretty sure, right? So, Texas Surgeon, you're going to be getting hits all over the place. Royals hit there. numbered All right, then we got a Jackson Joby Tigers hit here. 104 out of 150. And then the auto for the Braves here. One of the first teams that always leaves in every break we do. For Nacho. For the Royals, it was Salvador Perez. 325 out of 325. That's cool to get the actual number there. Also, a Jackson Joby, 104 out of 150, which I believe is also yours. Yeah. Yeah. Aaron Judge.
They have like 90 million.
Ronald. Rocky Sasaki. Jordan. Francisco. Ooh, a Cam Smith already right there. See a Cam Smith. Is that a sign? No, it's not. Backwards. Cal Relay. 31 out of 300 there.
They have no money.
For the Mariners. Nice number for the Mariners there. Followed by a Trey Sweeney Arrivals. Creators, Brooks Lee, and a Julio Rodriguez. This is crazy. These packs come with like 4 or 5 cards upside down. So it's like you have to constantly be going.
I hate that.
Yeah, it really does. I feel like the people are going to get dizzy. Numbered at a 31 out of 300. Do I have the Phillies in this break, David? Yes, David Hoffman, you have the Phillies here. All right, let's keep going. I already got 2 autos, and one of them huge, Cam Smith auto. Julio, Salvador Perez, Garrett Cole, Tyler, Corbin, upside down. Okay, so the cards are upside down. I guess we gotta flip each one of them. Dansby, Bryce Harper, debut, Ben Rice, Arrivals, Rhett Lauder, and a Kumar Rocker. All right, let's see what else we got.
Suggested retail price is $5.50.
For what? Let's see what we got. Zach, Ben Rice, Logan Webb, Kyle. Followed by another auto here, guys. Brooks Baldwin there. Beautiful. For the White Sox. Nice. That's 3 autos there in that one box. Jackson Joby numbered 176 out of 350. Another Jackson Joby in the same box. Eli De La Cruz. Ooh, followed by a Cam Smith Refractors Arrivals. Beautiful. And then a Corbin Carroll. Jackson Joby and a Brooks Baldwin there. It's a Cam Smith box. Brooks Baldwin there, auto. That's the 3rd auto in a row. So I guess it's possible to also consider that most boxes that have back-to-back autos will have an extra auto in there. All right, last pack magic out of that box. Good luck. Shota, Jonathan, backwards James Wood, Tariq Schoolball, Bryce Harper, James Wood, nice, followed by an out of 25 out of 25 for Brandon Lowe, nice, for the Rays. 25 out of 25 there, beautiful looking card. These colors, I still don't know the colors, not like the numbers by the color yet. Spencer, followed by an Arrivals. Dylan Cruz, 7 out of 75 there for the Nationals. Nice. Nice hit there, Limitless. Arrivals. and an Edgar Cueto, and a James Wood.
Pass on this.
Numbered out of 25. 25 out of 25. Followed by a Dylan Cruz, numbered out of 75. 7 out of 75. Good number. All right, guys. So now, what other box? What number should we go to? 1, 2, or 3? One, 2, or 3, guys. What do you guys want? What do you want to see us open first? 2. All right, let's see what else we got in 2. Spencer, Angel, Royce, Thomas, Luke, Neston. Ooh, followed by a Brooks Lee there for the Twins. 90 out of 150 for the Twins there. Debut. Followed by a Finest Timelines there. Reggie Jackson for the Yankees. Oh, backwards. Nice.
That's what you're supposed to do, bro.
All right. Twins hit there, guys. 2 is good. Oh, wait. Let me move these. These hits are from box number 1. Let's get these organized here so we can go over all the hits after. So, numbered. Boom. All right. Let's keep going. Christian Campbell, Dylan Cruz, Willie Dames, Jackson Churio, Kevin Alcantara, Jackson Joby, followed by dual auto there. That's nice for the Orioles. 23 out of 25 dual auto. That is such a cool card. You got Colton Cowser and Adley Rushman. 2024, 2022 there. Orioles hit. That's so cool. I didn't know they had these. Dual autos. That's crazy. Angel Martinez. The Rivals, Jace Jung. Ronald Acuna Jr. Creators, followed by Bryce Harper. What a sick card, guys. You guys saw that? Who's the Orioles? I got to check real quick. Orioles. Jason. Congratulations, Jason. Dual autos for the Orioles there. Such a cool card. All right, let's keep going. All right. Jaron, Matt Shaw, Jackson Merrill, Freddie, Tariq Schoolball, nice looking card, followed by a numbered out of 200, 71 out of 200 there for the Mets. And a Garrett Crotchet, 124 out of 250 for the Boston Red Sox. Followed up by a debut right there, Chase DeLander, and a Brooks Lee. Nice. Boston numbered. And a Francisco Alvarez Mets. At least we're on the board, T-Sprouse.
There's no. Why would we do that? That makes no sense at all.
We're on the board. What's up, Jason? We are live with a new case, guys. Fresh case live. Christian Walker. Matt. Luis Castillo. Edgar. Brooks. Fernando Tatis Jr. Cool looking card. And Royce Lewis. Followed by an Arrivals Angel Martinez and a Dylan Cruz Creator. It's time. Rafael Devils, Francisco, Cattell, Justin, Christian, and an auto there for Tyler Phillips for the Phillies. Nice Phillies hit there. Followed by a Yankees numbered 26 out of 300 Max Fried, Freed. Debut, Jace Chung. The refractor, Wyatt Langford.
What do they value it at?
Nice Tiller Phillips for the Phillies there. It's the second auto there. Or the third, I guess. And then the Yankees numbered out of 300 for Max. Last pack magic, guys. Andrew, Will, Adael, Richard, Jackson, Hunter Green, followed by, oh, we got a pearl here. Orelvis Martinez for the Blue Jays, 29 out of 60 pearl. Nice for the Blue Jays. Who has the Blue Jays? Mindless with the Blue Jays there. Taking a nice card right there. Nice hit. Love those pearls. It looks so cool. Then we got a Thomas JC, Rivals Justin, and Rafael Devers. Nice way to end that box. That box was stacked. These boxes are great. I like these cases. They don't have like a solid like case hits. They have like 5. Beautiful looking card. I'll go over here. And then, all right, so 1 or 2. 1 or 2 Texas Surgeon. I like your numbers. Two. All right, 2 it is. This is the second box here. This way, that way. All right, second box. Let's see the third box magic here. Come on, Cubs. They usually hit, so let's see, Dan. All right, Yordan Alvarez, Francisco, Zach, Drake, Caleb, Corey, Juan Soto, followed by a Gabriel and a Jackson Churio. A Rivals, Ryan Bliss. Oh, a James Wood numbered debut card, 91 out of 125 there. It's a cool color. Followed by a Ryan Bliss. It's a cool Nationals hit there. Nationals got 2 hits already. $91 out of 125 there. Let's keep going. Thanks for the like, guys. That helps. We have teams live right now, guys. A whole case, fresh case, live. Rhett Lauder, Kobe Mayo, Riley, Connor Norby, followed by a Luis Angel Acuna, and a numbered Kobe Mayo for the Orioles, 133 out of 200. The debut, Adael Amador for the Rockies, a Nacho Alvarez Jr., and a Jackson Joby. Kobe Mayo numbered there for the Orioles. Orioles taking some hits too. No autos yet. Let's see what's the first auto. Who's going to get the first auto? Devin. Wyatt. Cam Smith. Nick Kurtz. Nice. Caden. Vladimir Guerrero. And there's the auto for the Tigers. Cater Montero. Texas Surgeon. That's you. Willie Dames. Then we have Creators Andrew and a debut Orelvis Martinez. Nice, taking another auto there. Nice. All All right, let's go. Let's go. We still got an auto left, guys. An auto left. Aaron Judge, Mookie Betts, Ronald Acuna Jr., Rocky Sasaki, Chris Bryant. Then we have a James Wood numbered 78 out of 125. A lot of numbered James Wood so far in the same box. Royce Lewis for the Twins, 114 out of 250 there. Followed by a finest moments there. Finest timelines. For Babe Ruth, the Yankees. And then here we have Cattell, finished with a Darren. Nice James Woods in there. Royce Lewis out of 250 there. James Wood numbered out of 125. All right, let's see what else we got here. Ooh, this one seems thin. This is a thin pack. That's strange. This pack only has 5 cards in it. Does that mean something good? Numbered 9 out of 250 for Kevin Alcantara for the Cubs. Followed by a Creators, Rafael Devers, a debut Kobe Mayo refractor. That's strange. This pack only had like 5 cards. This pack had half the amount of cards that it usually has. Yeah. I was hoping it was gonna have a huge hit or something. Yeah, it's strange. It was like the thinnest pack I've seen. All right, Kyle Tucker, Jacob, Julio, Salvador, Garrett, Brando, Nemo, followed by a Dylan Cruz numbered out of 75, 9 out of 75. The Nationals taking some hits here. Then we have Kevin Alcantara, followed by a Spencer Schwellenbach and a Justin Henry Malloy. That's strange. We do. Numbered there out of 75. Oh, that one's strange. You know why? That one box didn't have an auto. Another auto. I didn't pass an auto, did I? Yeah, they were missing that one card. That one pack had 5 and not an auto. All right. Let's keep it going. All right, let's go. Let's keep on the last one here, guys. Josh Jung. Tomoyuki Bryce Harper, followed by the first numbered there for the Dodgers, Freddie Freeman, 56 out of 99. Followed by Kevin Alcantara, 260 out of 350, double Cubs hit there. Twice we got him. Kumar Rocker arrivals and a Chandler Simpson. Crazy. Save me. So won't you save me? Last box magic, guys. Last box magic. Let's hope. Kevin Alcantara. We had an extra one in the first one, actually.
First box?
Yeah, the first box we opened had an extra auto there. And we had a double auto with 2 others.
So just, for whatever reason, during that case, an extra auto went to a different box.
Yeah. Fernando Tatis Jr.,
Quality control.
Eli, Gunner, Luis Angel Acuna, Corbin Burns, Steven,
Fortunately, it was
Gunner,
great.
Christian Campbell, Mike Trout, debut Max Muncy, followed by Willie Adames. All right, continuing. Let's get something big, guys. Let's get something big. Manny Machado, Orelvis, Max Muncy. And the first auto there goes 23 out of 125 to Grant McGray to the Giants there. Numbered and autoed. Followed by a Boston Christian Campo, 75 out of 200. A Rivals Kobe Mayo. And a Creators numbered for Gunnar Henderson for the Orioles yet again, 10 out of 50. Nice. And then a Jackson Chourio. Orioles been hitting big in this one. And the Christian Campo. And the auto there for Grant McRae. Numbered out of 125, that auto. And we got a Christian Campo for the Red Sox. Numbered out of 200. And then finally we have a Creators numbered for the Orioles. 10 out of 50 there. Nice. All right. Keep this up. So Drew Thorpe, Spencer Schwellenbach, Paul Skeens, Byron. Oh, we got a Gusto, 1 out of 5. For the Athletics, Jacob Wilson. For the Athletics, Augusto. Look at that, guys. That's insane. And can you mention to Craig this real quick? That message from the guy with this? You can just mention to him to look into it.
On what?
On TikTok, I'm guessing. 1 out of 5 there. For Jacob Wilson, that's beautiful. That Gusto card. I'm telling you guys. 10 out of 10, Mike Trout on top of that. In the same pack for the Angels. 10 out of 10, Mike Trout there. Mucho gusto. Then we got a Dylan Cruz, a Creators Jazz, and a Francisco Lindor. Followed by Kevin Alcantara. What a beautiful pack, guys. You got a 10 out of 10 for the Angels. Followed by Augusto at 1 out of 5. In the last box. Angels hit there. 10 out of 10, as well as that Gusto for the Athletics, 1 out of 5. What a beautiful card. That's such a cool card. I mean, let's look at it real quick. Look at that. These are the coolest looking cards. And 1 out of 5. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's keep it going. Junior, Mike Trout, Brent, Jace.
Where do you message?
I think TikTok.
There's a bunch of people messaging about videos.
Julio Rodriguez, 61 out of 325. Followed by Lawrence Butler, Drake Baldwin, Zach Veen. Julio Rodriguez, 61 out of 325 there, guys. Last pack magic, guys. Good luck to everyone there. Good luck to everyone there, guys. These cases we get here are insane, guys. You guys gotta enjoy these. These cases are amazing. Brian. Ooh, followed by an auto there for Justin for the Dodgers, numbered 17 out of 150. Luke Keschel, followed by a finest timelines for the Orioles and a debut Kobe Mayo. Orioles hit 37 out of 99 yet again, followed by a Matt Shaw. Beautiful. And we had that debut there. 37 out of 99 for the Orioles. Good box for the Orioles, too. Followed by the auto for the Dodgers. 17 out of 150. Justin. Nice. All right. Let's look at these beautiful hits here, guys. Insane. We got some really good hits here. Out of 50. Plus the auto. The debut. The Mike Trout out of 10. Followed by Gusto. Jacob Wilson. Insane. Insane, guys. All right.
Check the track.
Let's look at these hits here. All right, let's start off with the first box here, guys. First, we start off with a finest autograph 2 of Cam Smith for the Houston Astros. That's a great hit. Thank you, Texas Surgeon, for that. Appreciate you. Followed by a numbered out of 125 auto for Nacho Alvarez Jr. Followed by Brooks Baldwin. Cal Relay out of 300 there. Jackson Joby out of 150. Salvador Perez out of 325. Jackson Joby out of 350. Arrivals Dylan Cruz out of 75 there. Brandon Lowe out of 25. 25 out of 25. That's a cool number to have. All right, let's take a picture of that one. Followed by the second box we did, which was a dual auto for the Orioles. That's a beautiful card right there. Dual auto, 23 out of 25. Beautiful. Followed by a pearl for the Blue Jays, 29 out of 60 there. Beautiful pearl. Tyler Phillips for the Phillies. Francisco Alvarez out of 200 there. A Garrett Crochet out of 250 for the Red Sox. Brooks Lee for the Twins, numbered out of 150 there. And Max Fried, 26 out of 300 for the Yankees there. That's a second box. Followed by the third box, which had Keter Montero auto there for the Tigers. A Kevin Alcantara, 9 out of 250 there for the Cubs. A James Wood, 78 out of 125 for the Nationals. Dylan Cruz, 9 out of 75 for the Nationals again. A Royce Lewis for the Twins, 114 out of 250 there. Another James Wood, 91 out of 125 debut. And a Kobe Mayo, 133 out of 200 there for the Orioles. Beautiful. Followed now by the best hit there so far. The 1 out of 5 Gusto Jacob Wilson. Look at that beautiful card. That's a beautiful card. Followed by a Mike Trout 10 out of 10. The best number you could have out of 10 there. 10 out of 10. An auto for the Dodgers, numbered out of 150. An auto for the Giants, numbered out of 125. A Creators 10 out of 50 for the Orioles. Do that right here. A debut out of 99 for Kobe Mayo. Orioles hit again. Julio Rodriguez there. Out of 325. Followed by a Freddie Freeman out of 99 for the Dodgers. And a Kevin Alcantara 260 out of 350. Finalizing with a Red Sox Christian Campbell, numbered out of 200, guys. Insane. Insane. Who is the redemption? Just so you see, Bleachers, this is what I keep telling you guys, all right? I keep telling you guys, there is no such thing as just one case hit in these God cases that we have. So you can take a look at this. The redemption is for Cam Smith, right? We had a Gusto hit. There was a bullish in the last one, and there's a Gusto in this one, in this half of the case. These cases, guys, come loaded. We have a brand new case live right now. Brand new case. There was multiple case hits, considered case hits, right? So look at that, guys. Out of 1 out of 5 there. Jacob Wilson, beautiful. Cam Smith, redemption. Followed by Creators, 10 out of 50. Gunner. Brandon Lowe, 25 out of 25. Dual auto for the Orioles there. out of 25. 29 out of 60 there for the Blue Jays, as well as the Mike Trout 10 out of 10. Beautiful, guys. The dual auto for the Orioles was right here. Colton Cowser and Adley Rushman. 23 out of 25. 1 out of 3 case. Congrats, everyone. Insane, right? We have a brand new case live, guys, just so you know. I gotta take a picture of all of these. Thank you, YouTube.